Today, we want to introduce you to one of our favorite destinations in less than 3 minutes. Along with this introduction, we've created a complete travel guide that tells you everything you need to know about visiting this city. It's linked below.
We're John and Bev, and we are the Retirement Travelers.
Mexico City is a great place to experience the beautiful combination of ancient history and modern life, making it an essential destination for any traveler. At the heart of this city lies the Zocalo, one of the largest city squares in the world, bordered by majestic landmarks like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace, which house stunning murals by Diego Rivera. This area alone offers a glimpse into Mexico's past and present. Beyond its historical allure, Mexico City is a paradise for food lovers. From tantalizing street food like tacos and tamales to high-end dining experiences like Pujol, the city offers a culinary journey that makes our mouth water just remembering all the great food we ate. We crisscrossed our way all over in search of great food, but you can also get it by taking a walk from your hotel in pretty much any direction. We'll also leave a link below to our food guide, and you can read that as well. Art and culture thrive in the lovely streets of Mexico City. Museums like the Frida Kahlo Museum and the Museum of Anthropology showcase not only priceless artifacts and artworks, but also the soul of Mexico. Meanwhile, neighborhoods like Coyoacan and La Condesa will enchant you with their bohemian atmosphere and vibrant street art, inviting a leisurely exploration. A short trip from the city center brings you to the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Teotihuacan, an ancient city known for its majestic pyramids of the sun and moon. Walking the Avenue of the Dead gives a palpable sense of the architectural genius and astronomical precision of the early Mesoamerican civilizations. Concerning safety, like any major city, Mexico City requires tourists to be mindful and take precautions. The city has made significant strides in enhancing safety for visitors and locals alike. Tourist areas are well patrolled, and efforts to improve public security are ongoing. Mexico City is not just a travel destination, but a vivid celebration of life, art, and heritage, promising an unforgettable adventure. Be sure to hit subscribe and follow along on our retirement journey around the world.